हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक। आज हम बात करेंगे इंग्लिश की एक बहुत 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 प्यारी स्टोरी, आउल्स इन द फैमिली की। ये मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा पसंद है इसलिए क्योंकि इसके ऑथर है रस्किन बॉन्ड, हु ऑल्सो हैपन्स टू बी great writer and lives in Missouri and Dehradun, which is where I am from as well. So this was especially close to heart. But मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इसके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. I think anyone who does not know the story probably needs to read it first before watching this, because I am not talking about the story, I'm talking more about what is coming out. The story is Owls in the Family by Ruskin Bond. Whenever I read Ruskin Bond, बहुत सारी यादें वापस आ जाती हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिमाग में आने लगती हैं। पर आज हम बात करेंगे Owls in the Family की। Owls in the Family एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी स्टोरी है। यूजुअली हम लोग जब पेट्स की बात करते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में आउल्स नहीं आते, बट आई नो ऑल द हैरी पॉटर फैंस विल be amazed to have someone like a Hedwig in their family. Anyways, owls are magnificent creatures. They are amazing hunters and they have some amazing qualities. You should read about them. पर मैं थोड़ा सा आपको स्टोरी के बारे में बता देता हूँ पहले। मसूरी में बहुत पहले एक छोटी सी मसूरी मतलब अपने आप में एक छोटा सी हिल स्टेशन था, और उसी में रस्किन बॉन्ड ने ये आउल्स इन द फैमिली लिखी है। मतलब व्हेन ही इज़ राइटिंग इट, जब ऑथर लिख रहा है तो वो ऑथर्स क्या करते हैं, व्हेन एवर दे राइट, लिटरेचर इज़ एन आउटकम ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंसेस। तो आपके चारों तरफ जो भी वो देख रहे हैं वो ही लिख रहे हैं। तो मसूरी में रहते थे, मसूरी की वाइल्ड लाइफ उन्होंने देखी है, मसूरी के घर देखे हैं, तो प्रॉबेबली वो ही उनके दिमाग में चल रहा था जब वो उसे बना रहे थे। स्टोरी एक लड़के और उसके दो वाइल्ड बट लवेबल पेट आउल्स की है। एंड हाउ डिड दे गेट टू हिज बिकम हिज पेट्स? आप देखो, दे ही फाउंड देम स्ट्रेड एंड जस्ट suffering, but he brought them those two owlets in. Owlets are little baby owls, and kept them with him, and his grandfather was the one who's helping them. So there are so many different emotions and relationships that start coming up. There is the grandfather and grandson relationship. There is the relationship between the boy and those owlets who initially were strangers, but बाद में उनके best friends हो गए. Just to let you know, कहानी में when they are about to leave those owlets, उन owlets की mother आती है and almost रस्किन बॉन्ड और उसके दादा पे अटैक करते हैं. She attacks them because she thinks they're probably a threat to the owlets. But the next day the owlets and the mother all are sitting in his house or just at the roof, because probably the mother has heard the story of how well the family kept those two owls. So यहाँ पे वो एक माँ और आउलेट्स के रिलेशनशिप के ऊपर भी एक स्टोरी है. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इट इज़ अ स्टोरी अबाउट मैन एंड नेचर. Now, the tone that Ruskin Bond uses in this is light, it's easy to read, funny, and nostalgic. Nostalgic because he is writing about his childhood or imagining himself as a child, right? In either way, he will write about what he experienced, which means it is nostalgia. Now, the humor is not just for laughs. He's showing, or Ruskin Bond is showing the bonding between animals and humans, and how childhood curiosity makes room for compassion. As children, I think you guys are the purest as well as the most compassionate beings. So, the smaller we are, the less scared we are of things, and the more compassionate we feel towards them. Anyways, so that's basically covering about the tone, which is light, easy to read, funny but not just for laughs, but also showing the immense bonding and the childhood curiosity and nostalgia, because as a grown up he's writing about his childhood, and that's why there's a lot of nostalgia in the story. Moral of the story is respect every creature, right? And especially the animals, because even if they're attacking, they're probably more scared of you than you are. You should respect every creature, the one that hoots in the night or nibble your socks. One last thing that I would like to mention, when you read it, try and visualize what the author or Ruskin Bond is visualizing. He probably is living in a Missouri, which is small town, very green, an amazing place. It still is. I'm not saying that it is not, but as we have tried to build more things, populate, uh, it's getting bad, dirtier, as well as less greener. What can you do next time you go to any hill station or anywhere when you go out, and for with your family or with your friends, make sure you don't litter. Make sure you use recyclable plastic, carry a bottle of your own, like a metal, rather than buying those plastic bottles and dumping them here and there. Try and look for places which are more eco-friendly. If they don't have big generators and you can stay without power backup, stay at those kind of places. It's our way of giving back and preserving what we have. So I think that's all from my side. I look forward to you in the next video, and please comment and let me know whether you like the story or not.